Breaking news. I need you to look at the NASDAQ. This is an intraday picture at the moment, up 49 points. Not even at the highs of the session, but this is an all-time record close. The number to beat, folks, it's 55.74. We are well above that right now. What is driving it? I had our team pull out the top three here. We've got Western Digital up 4.6% or so. Micron Technologies up 4.5%. Yahoo up 3.75%. Now flip it over to the S&P 500. We are just about 4 points above the all-time record here. We need to hold this for the next 2 minutes. Let me bring in Point View Managing Director and Portfolio Manager, John Petrides. John, you're picking stocks right now. What are you looking at as we look at a real buoyant market?
Yeah, following a really flat week, the markets are rocking and rolling again. We're getting strong earnings. Good policy post with the Trump signing of the Keystone Pipeline, helping out the energy sector. And then don't sleep on a weaker U.S. dollar, which is helping the energy and the basic material markets and some of those technology stocks that you referenced earlier.
What scares you? Anything? Or do you just feel that at this moment, the momentum makes the stock market the place to put your money now?
Well, I think it's true. It's better than bonds, and you're not earning anything in your cash, so stocks are definitely the place to go. I think we're knee-deep in earnings season, and you have to look at it on a company-by-company basis, and that's what's going to drive the market higher.
What do you like?
Well, I really like some of the international stocks, those that aren't focused in the U.S. I like British Petroleum, Vodafone, Diageo. Those companies that are UK-based that are hurt by a weaker pound in the Brexit are really attractive values right now that have a global asset base.
Yeah, I'm looking at the pound right now, $1.25. I wouldn't say that is as weak as it's been. We had seen 121 or so, and of course there is news on Brexit that Theresa May, the Prime Minister, has to go through Parliament to invoke Article 50 to get Brexit going. Doesn't mean it's over, but it does mean that it may take a little bit longer. John, we're looking at records. What do you say to the average investor right now? Well,
I think it's all about diversification. If that's the one thing we learned from 2016, the market was a roller coaster last year, and I think you have to spread out your risks across your portfolio, but I would be overweight stocks here for the average investor in their portfolios.
Well, on a day where Donald Trump signed 5 executive orders, some of them involving energy, a big driver for the markets, and the markets like the move. John Petrides, thanks so much.